Invasive insects may destroy 1.4 million US trees before 2050. Over the next 30 years, an estimated 1.4 million street trees will be destroyed by invading insects, which would cost over $900 million to replace, according to a new research. The results have been published in the Journal of Applied Ecology of the British Ecological Society. For the first time, researchers from McGill University, the USDA Forest Service Southern Research Station, and the North Carolina State University used data from more than 30,000 urban areas across the United States to make an accurate nationwide spatial forecast of street tree mortality due to invasive insects. 1 in every 4 trees in urban areas is anticipated to die because of the emerald ash borer, Agrilus planipennis, a pest that has already decimated ash trees in more than 6,000 cities and towns throughout the United States. More than a quarter of all street tree death in the United States will be caused by invasive insects in fewer than a fifth of the country's municipalities, according to the researchers. New York City, Chicago, and Milwaukee are among the study's hotspots. The emerald ash borer's recent or near-future course includes these places, which have a high concentration of ash trees. Invasive insects are expected to move into new areas where there are large concentrations of people. The researchers also predicted the hazards of non-native insect species. Anoplophora chinensis, a type of Asian wood-boring bug, was identified as the most serious danger, with new establishments of this species expected to cost an estimated $4.9 billion over the next 30 years, according to the study. Additionally, urban tree managers will be able to identify which tree species are most vulnerable to invading insects, according to the researchers. In this way, management measures like quarantining wood goods may be prioritized. The researchers integrated 4 models to predict the effect of invasive insects on street trees in the United States over the next 30 years. People in 30,000 cities and towns used these models to figure out how many street trees there are, how many invasive species of bugs will spread, and how much it costs to remove and replace dead trees.